Hi there, my name is Michelle Bonanno. I work at Fort Lewis College in the roles of Senior Lecturer of English, Director of the Academic Hub, Director of First Year Experience. I'll talk a little bit about the technology that I use every day to be successful as a professional. I thought it might be helpful to see what my screen or my desktop usually looks like as part of that conversation. I use technology in a variety of ways to help me in my work, especially since I play a lot of different roles on campus. I am communicating with a lot of different stakeholders. So first of all, I would say I use technology to communicate effectively. Most of the communication that I do is via email, and I even use email and our Outlook platform to set up face-to-face meetings and communication as well. So this is my Outlook calendar here. I use it to set up meetings and also block out time to work on projects occasionally so that other things can't sneak onto my calendar. I also use my calendar to make to-do lists for myself, so I usually put those to-do list things early in the morning where there aren't actually meetings, but where I can remind myself of things that I need to do. My email inbox also serves as a to-do list, so I leave items in my inbox so that I can come back to them and remind myself that I need to reply or follow up to them. And I often carbon copy myself on emails that are really task-oriented or urgent so that I can use those to follow up. So I communicate with my team via email, also with my students, and I also use my calendar to organize time to accomplish tasks. I would also say I use technology as a way to organize my tasks or organize projects that I have. So one example of that is our, just refresh this, our May master planning document. So one thing that I am working on right now is new summer programming for students, including our new May master program, which is for students who did not successfully pass their comp or math course in the regular semester, and so we're running those courses again in May to let them do some kind of credit recovery work. So this Excel sheet that you see here has multiple tabs on it that relate to the tasks for that new program, including this calendar page you see here. And many people have access to this spreadsheet so that we can all collaborate in real time and organize ourselves and delegate tasks and keep up with the progress of other folks on our team. So I definitely use technology to stay organized, both on the calendar I just showed you and on things like this planning document that allows us to organize tasks for a big project like a brand new summer program that we're organizing right now. As a teacher, I also use Canvas as a form of technology. So I also teach half-time each semester, and so Canvas is the main platform that I use to organize my students and to give them feedback on their work and to communicate with my students, to post assignments. So certainly as a teacher, I use technology a lot as a primary way to keep my students on track with our learning outcomes and also to give them feedback on their work. I would say, use technology to find information and gather ideas. That, I guess, is the last thing I would mention. I seek out other campuses and their best practices related to projects that I'm working on. I find models of things that other people are doing, go find best practices from organizations like the National Center for First Year Experience or national organizations related to advising or to success coaching. So I also definitely use technology to go get information and find best practices and models that we can implement here at Fort Lewis. Thank you.